Hello everyone, this is Anush from PrimeInvestor. Welcome back to the third episode of Personal Finance Videos. In today's video, we cover the topic term insurance. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand three different things. First, what is a term insurance? Second, how much term insurance do you need? And third, from which insurer or insurance company should you buy the term insurance policy from? What is a term insurance? Term insurance policy is simply a life cover which provides a financial assistance or support to your dependents. Term insurance allows you to have very high life cover for a very low cost. This is the benefit of term insurance. If you need to know more about term insurance and who should take, who should not take, and more details of it, we have done an entire webinar on insurance. You should definitely watch it. I will mark it in the link above. Now, for the second question, how much term insurance do you need? In many cases, people decide based on thumb rules, 10x or 15x your annual income, or maybe even 20x at certain cases. But all these thumb rules sometimes leave you underinsured. So, we at PrimeInvestor have created a useful calculator using which you can calculate the exact amount of term insurance cover that you need. Log into PrimeInvestor.in. If you scroll down under the useful link section, you will find the calculators. Our term insurance calculator will be the first one. Let us assume that the breadwinner of the family is about 35 years of age, which means he has about another 25 years to retire, assuming that he'll retire at 60. The family expenses. The family is spending about 65,000 rupees a month. And of the above expenses, how much is the self expenses for the person insured? Let us say his expense is somewhere about 10,000. Inflation rate, let us keep it at 5. Goals, children's education goal. Let's say he has a child and the education cost of the child will be about 15 lakhs. Lump sum for the spouse after retirement. Let's say he has planned to give 1 crore. Children's wedding expenses, let us assume another 25 lakhs. We can also input different other goals, say put another 1 crore for the grandchildren or something, but I'm just going to leave it at that. Outstanding loans, let's say he has a car loan for about 10 lakhs. Assets that can be used to settle these loans. Let's say he has about 1 lakh in FD, which can be used to offset this. There you go. 4 crore 64 lakhs is the ideal term insurance for this person. How did we arrive at this number? We had 4 different steps. In the first 2 steps, we found out how long is there for him to retire, which means for how many years will he be actually supporting his family. In case of his death, there should be a replacement cost of his income which will be used for the family's expenses. Those were calculated in the first 2 steps. Also in the third step, we added additional goals such as his child's education and child's marriage. We also added a lump sum of 1 crore for his spouse. Why did we do that? Because in the previous 2 steps, we have considered only up to his retirement, not post his retirement. The spouse's post-retirement period is also getting covered. In the last part, we have also covered the liabilities of the said person and we have offset that also. By combining all of this, we have arrived at this number. This will be the perfect way to calculate how much term insurance should you be taking. Now that we have understood how much term insurance that you need to have, let us now find out from which insurer can you buy. For that, we need to go to our term insurance ranking tool. In our homepage, if you go to the term insurance ranking, we have listed about 14 different insurance companies and their ranks. This rank is different for male and female, and also we have grouped them into different age buckets. Usually when people take insurance, the most basic criteria that they see is low premiums. But we at PrimeInvestor believe that just low premiums alone cannot be the perfect way to choose your insurance. Hence, we have taken into account different metrics and come up with these ranks. There is a detailed video on what we have done to arrive at these ranks. I'll leave that link in the description below. Please do check that out. After seeing this video, if you really think insurance as a business is very good and you need to buy insurance stocks, then you should definitely subscribe to our channel, because the next video is going to be on how to value insurance companies. So until next time, bye.